101. My name is Chauncey, your sneaker care technician, and I'll be showing you how to clean the Nike React Element 87. This is the Nike React Element 87 in the OG sale colorway, and these shoes are hot right now. This shoe has a futuristic trainer look with the ripstop translucent upper. This shoe has 3M accents and mixed material around the laces. It features Nike's famous React sole, and I'm going to show you how to keep the whole shoe looking fresh. So here's what you'll need. Jason Markk Premium Shoe Cleaner, a bowl of water, a standard brush, a premium brush, and a few microfiber towels. First thing what you're going to want to do is take your dry premium brush and dry brush the whole uppers of the shoe. While you dry brush, you'll see most of the dirt is already coming off. Dry brushing helps to not create any more inset stains. Next, we're going to remove the laces. Now that we got the laces off, we're going to start cleaning the midsole. Take your premium solution, add it to the brush. Take your brush, dip it back in the water just to activate it fully, and go right at the midsole. You want to make sure you're brushing thoroughly just to make sure you get through all the grooves on the shoe. Now you just want to take your microfiber towel and wipe down all the dirt. Now that we're done cleaning the midsole of the shoe, we're going to clean the uppers. As you can see, the uppers does consist of this translucent ripstop material, which will allow water and moisture to seep through. What we're going to do is take a few microfiber towels and stuff the shoe. Now that the shoe is stuffed, you want to go ahead and start cleaning the shoe. What you're going to do is take your premium brush, dip it in the water, add your solution, dip it back in the water to activate it, and go about cleaning. After that, now you want to wipe down the shoe. Keep in mind, as you're drying, there is mixed material around the laces, so you want to use the microfiber towel to absorb all the moisture. Now we're going to let the uppers dry, and I'm going to show you how to clean the laces. So what you're going to do is grab the bowl of water, take your laces, dip it in the water, take your premium solution, put it on the laces, dip the laces back in the water just to get it activated, and scrub it like you're washing your hands. Then what you want to do, take your laces back in the water. You want to take your microfiber towel, dry it up, and then make sure you strain the laces out with the towel. Running the laces through the towel will allow you to absorb all the moisture and dirt. Now that the shoe is dried and we removed all the stains, as you can see, we can start lacing it up. While you're lacing up, you just want to make sure that the laces are both even. Thanks for watching Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. If you thought this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and let us know which shoe you would like to see us clean next.